Hi everybody, this is a weird one today. I hope you enjoy it though. Rock and roll fans, rejoice. I am in Neptune, New Jersey on Neptune Boulevard here at 685 Neptune Boulevard. It's a law firm. Why are we at a law firm in Neptune, New Jersey? Because this is no ordinary building. If you are a fan of rock and roll, you might be interested to know that in this building, they manufactured Kramer brand guitars in the 80s and 90s. Kramer guitars were those wacky 80s style guitars made famous by guys like Richie Sambora and Eddie Van Halen. And they were like a Stratocaster, but they had a really unique headstock that looked like a banana. And what made them special was they used an all aluminum neck that gave them, supposedly, according to the advertisement, the great sustain. Manufactured in this building until they went out of business in the 90s, and Gibson bought the name. So if you ever see a Kramer guitar now, it's made by Gibson, and they're not made here, but the first Kramers came out of this building. Now, I don't think there's any remnants left of the guitar business, but I'm gonna walk around here. It's a Sunday. The lawyers are all playing golf right now. I'm gonna see if we can find something that shows us, that can prove that they made the guitars here. Let's see what this says. Complete pool tables, jukes, pinball, cigarettes, and video games stored here. All this entire building would have been where they built and shipped all the Kramer guitars until 1991. Let's see, there's anything back here besides rats. I can imagine this overhead door up and the wood going in, and then guitars coming out. Other than that, rather uninteresting, but Neptune, New Jersey, home of Kramer guitars. You know, I'm in Neptune because I was looking for the warehouse and buildings where they created Dan Electro guitars, also from Neptune, New Jersey. So it's part of this tour of New Jersey manufacturing. We're here in Neptune on Neptune Boulevard at the home of Kramer guitars. I thought I'd get to see a pick or a piece of string or something, or maybe an old body lying around. Oh, wait a minute. Here's some spray paints. Maybe they painted the guitars with that. I don't think so. Okay, so I'm gonna leave now. But I just thought I'd stop by this roadside piece of roadside rock and roll history in Neptune, New Jersey. It's very warm today. Stacy decided this was not as important to her, so she would stay in the car. Oh, they're locked. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining us. Rock on.